back with another video. This video is about coloring my locks. I love color, so therefore it is a part of the hair process. Revlon has always been my go-to. I've tried to do the developer and all that stuff. You go to Sally's, doesn't work for me.
But what does work for me is the Revlon Frost and Glow Highlighting Kit. Yes, it's for highlights.
I put the petroleum around my ears, make sure, don't get any skin irritation. I had no intentions coloring my full head. But again, it grows out to ombre. Try to put them in 4 sections. I leave it on at least 40 minutes. Oh, I bet it's not that blonde. We shall see in a minute.
Also use the conditioner that comes in the packet.
Everyone does not need to color their hair, natural hair or nothing, because you have to really be about that life.
And when I mean about that life, I mean going the extra mile with keeping your hair moisturized, conditioned, all that good stuff. I love my color, share my color. Thank you all so much for watching.